Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into Grok, whether it's the best AI. Let's look into the video. So whether Grok is the best AI, it all depends heavily on what you're looking for. So let me go through some of the strengths of Grok. So Grok actually is integrated with X or Twitter. Okay, it allows you to pull real-time data directly from the platform, which like other platforms can't do natively. Okay, it's edgy sometimes, and also humor. He has a sometimes he has this humorous personality. Okay, so branded it to be a bit rebellious, so you can get some humorous responses. The issue with this is that it's less matured than other models like Gemini or ChatGPT in terms of training, breadth, and general usage. The current models may not match the GPT-4 in reasoning or coherence. Keep that in mind. So Grok is actually best for users who are deeply embedded in X or Twitter, or those wanting real-time social data. So if you're looking for like reasoning, if you need reasoning is um one of your major aspect for you in your task, then Grok might not be the best option. But if you need like real-time social data, or you need a fun or a more humorous personality, then Grok might be an ideal option for you. But if you want like cutting edge capability and professionalism, then other models like ChatGPT or Gemini would be a better alternative than Grok. But if you want real-time info with personality and Twitter or X focus, then Grok will be a best option for you.